Hello, hello. This is the last Stash Smash Saturday for March. I can't believe that. This month has flown by. There's been so much going on. I am purposely posting this one really late tonight because I am going to use the 30 Days of Sketches exclusive sketch for tomorrow. And since it's for tomorrow, I didn't want it floating around all willy-nilly out in the open all day long on Saturday, because these sketches were made just for 30 Days of Sketches with and this is series 11 from what Christy's been doing, so I didn't want it out and about everywhere. And look at, I'm already putting stuff on crooked, I swear. So that is why you are getting this very late tonight. It was a strategic plan because I'm trying to also honor 30 Days of Sketches and how she wants to keep them exclusive. So we're not showing them off until the day of. So this, I mean, I'm still cheating a little and I'm showing it off before it's supposed to be, but at least it's closer to midnight and I don't have to feel as bad about it, maybe. So yeah. So right now I am taking, so here's the sketch. Since I've already said that I'm being naughty and using a sketch that I shouldn't be using quite yet. I mean, it's tomorrow, so it's not like it's the sketch in like a week. It's not like the last day's sketch or anything. So, I mean, there's that. I have not played with a lot of the sketches because I did today's sketch. You're probably going, why didn't you just do today's sketch? I already did today's sketch for Simple Story Saturday, which I also posted late because I forgot to post it. Yep, fun times. But I'm posting this one extra late because of that reason. So I'm taking the wood green. I backed my photo. I've got this photo of my son trying to put my boots on. But we're going to use that photo because it's springy, and my collection is very springy. It's actually quite summery, but springy. And I've grabbed out these 49th and Market rub-ons, so I can actually use some rub-ons this time. We've got some green going on, so Stash Smash, my 7 items. So I've got green and rub-ons we're going to do for sure. This is kind of a vertical design. I'm going to count it because the sketch is, yeah, it's pretty much a vertical design. So we're going to do the sketch. Made by, who's it made by? Wendy Gale Rasmussen. She'll be linked down below. Got this photo of my son trying to put on my rain boots, and he wants to go outside, so he's got my rain boots on, so that's gonna go there. I've got to figure out a title. I think along this circle, I'm gonna do some rub-on. I wanted to test it to see if you could even read the rub-ons on this pattern, and I think you'll be able to, and it's fine. It's one of those things that I don't necessarily want it to stand out. I don't need it to stand out, and I think that'll stand out enough that it'll give me the effect that I want, because I think I'm going to do words around the circle, and then I'm going to do the stitches on the circle to bring in some of the green turquoise colors. I'm just rambling because I don't really know what I want to do right now. I have done the rub-ons that look like fake stitching on the inside and a little bit on the side of my photo here. And then I did a bunch of words around the outside. So it's subtle, you can see it kind of. But then I took all the florals and tucked them along with this hat. But you can't tell it's a hat, which I love. So we did that. I'm going to glue all that down. I'm going to sprinkle some enamel dots and some sequins. We're going to put some washi tape down to fulfill my 7 items. And then I've got a walk in mom's boots and do the other ones in the little tile alphas. I think of these blue ones is my thought. So I'm going to get florals glued down, try and figure out how I want to do the letters over here. And then I'm going to pick out some sequins and I'll be back with you when I do that. All right, I've used this mix before with this collection. And I got a Walk in Mom's boots. We're gonna add some sequins. Get some of these clear ones on here. Some of these super shiny ones on here. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you had fun checking out the video. And I hope you go check out Becky's channel to get a little bit more creative inspiration from her today. That is that. Oh, it's like all janky. Thank you again, and we will see you next time.